Okay, you guys, do not look at how I look like. I know you guys and girls like to do that. We all do. Beautiful things attract us. Ugly things don't attract us, and we don't always like to listen to ugly people. Uh, this this is serious. You know that where they say when you die you look down on yourself and you see yourself. I can confirm that's true. But after that, I had an experience where I was in this dark room or tunnel, and I seen a small light, like a laser beam, small light, and I was wanting to go forward. And as I'm moving forward, the light has become bigger and brighter, but the more I walk forward, the more hands, like demon like hands, was pulling me back. And because of my fear, I couldn't, there were so many, and I felt under attack, and I was like, "Ugh, can't breathe anymore." I was gasping for air, and I saw this huge light reached out towards me, and I'm like, what the fluff is this? I'm gonna die now. And I look closely and I see it looks like a human hand with lights. It's like, imagine your hand with a beam of light coming from it, and it's so strong as the sun. And then I'm like, okay, this won't be bad, but these are, and they're literally pulling me back. And as I'm going away from the light, which I'm walking towards to get out of this darkness, as I'm walking towards the light, they are pulling me back, these demon-like hands, and I see only this hand and arm reach out for me. And I'm like, I'm still scared, I don't want to reach for it. And before they can grab both of my arms, I had the one, I reached out with my one arm, and then I woke up in the hospital with the doctor nibbling here in between my breast with his finger, like kind of hurting me.